And for the beer chicken, we also have a very simple rub for the whole chicken. Ingredients are simple again, starting with a pinch of black pepper, salt or spice, garlic powder, sugar. Remember 2 to 1 to the salt. Savory, which is obviously some spice. Paprika, which is bell pepper ground up into powder form. And again, when you mix the rub, there's really no specific order. You can add the ingredients and then just well. And in this case, you can see I use confectioner's sugar, but like if you have light brown sugar, which actually will work a lot better, just mix the rub with your hands and it should be ready.